They may have a few blocks out.
All right, copy. Hey, sir, come here. Come here. What's going on? Does he have a weapon?
He had a walking stick.
Where is it at? Where are they at?
I don't want to put a walking stick.
Come over here.
Come in.
George forward. Have the RP outside. He's bleeding from the face. Where are they?
Come in.
Come over here. Where are they? Huh?
George forward has the RP outside.
Police! Who's up there? Sir, stay down there. Hey, police! Let me see your hands. Hey, let me see your hands.
Come on.
Let me see your hands.
Come on.
George forward. Code 33. I have blood in the hallway. I'm upstairs. Made contact with the subject.
Yeah.
Sir, get down!
George forward has code 30.
Hey, sir, hey, put the knife down. Put the knife down.
George forward 9.
Hey, bring ERW. Yes, 222. Hey, get down, get down.
Oh, you're running the floor,
Get
you
back.
little bitch.
I'll shoot you, dude.
Little bitch.
Hey, get back.
You're running away, huh?
Get
You're
back.
running away.
Get back.
You're running away.
Get back, get back.
Drop the knife.
Are you okay?
Forward has the air.
Well, I've been hitting him with a stick. But don't let go.
Upstairs, made contact with the subject. Sir, get down.
George forward has code 30.
Hey, sir, hey, put the knife down. Put the knife down. Hey, get down, get down.
Oh, you're running the floor.
Get back.
Little bitch.
I'll shoot you, dude.
Little bitch.
Hey, get back.
You're running away, huh?
Get back.
You're running away.
Get back.
You're running away.
Get back, get back.
Forward 97. Bring ERW. Yeah, 222. 222. George over. George left.
You're running away.
Get back.
You're running away.
Shots fired, shots fired. Drop the knife.
George forward has the air.
Hey, hold here. Hold. You see the knife?
It was in his right hand.
Hey, I need you to roll back over. I need to see your hands. I need to see your hands. Your hands. I need to see your hands, man. Hey, man, I'm trying to help you, man. Let me see your hands. I'm trying to help you.
Code 33 on 7 and 8 for George forever.
Get back, sir. Get back. Hey, someone get him. Hey, you stay here. Arnold.
You got it covered? Sir, stay back.
Hey, man, I need to see your hands. We need to help you, okay?
Yeah, from 12 veteran 11 over in the
Hey, man, we need to help you, okay?
George forward 11 over with the forward.
Hey, man.
Shots fired.
Drop the knife.
Forward has the air.
Hey, hold here. Hold. You see the knife?
It was in his right hand.
Hey, man, we need to help you, man. Hey, man, I want to get you medical attention, man. I need to see your hands.
Mark, show us your hands. Come on.
Hey, still has the knife.
Shows a knife.
Back up.
Shows a knife in his hand.
Hey, I need you to roll. Roll over. Roll over to your left. I need you to get away from the knife.
Hey, Mark, drop the knife.
Hey, how do we want to play this, guys? How do we get this?
Hey, listen, the knife's on the ground.
Yeah.
Let's slowly move up.
Okay.
Let's slowly move.
Hey,
He's
you're doing
moving.
it. Hold up.
Hey, Mark,
We need to arrest him.
Do we have a shield? Let's get a shield. Let's get a shield. Let's get a shield. Hurry up. Hurry up with the shield.
Where's the knife? Is it-
The knife's out of his hand. Knife's out of his hand. Listen, don't reach for the knife. Do not reach for the knife. Put your hands on top of your chest.
Hey, Globe up, bro.
Put your hands on your chest.
Yeah, Mark.
The other way.
Listen, Mark, you have to roll the other way.
Other way, man.
Go to your left, Mark.
Mark, roll to your left. Don't touch the knife, okay?
Keep rolling. Keep rolling.
I'm gonna
One time
Can you
roll.
can you roll to us? Can you roll to us? Do you have the shield up? Come up front. Come up front.
Hey, the knife is.
Hey, listen. It's in reaching distance. Pancake him. Ready? Go ahead. Move it. I got you. Move.
Where you hit, man? Where you hit?
All right, let's go. George forward.
Medic, code 3. The subject is down. We gotta be safe.
Got a chest shield? Get a chest shield out.
Hey, we need to clear the rest of the house.
I got a chest seal.
Got a chest shield? Get a chest shield out.
Hey, we need to clear the rest of the house.
Got out. Get the chest shield.
We gotta clear the rest of the house.
No, the wife's in there. Just the wife. The wife's on the right. Just the wife's in the house.
Maybe,
Okay, go ahead.
Just
Hey, you got him? Get him?
Cover him.
No.
All right, go ahead.
It's just the wife up there. Just the wife
Hey,
up
stay
there.
with me, man. Mark, stay with me. Look at me. You see me? Is your mom upstairs? What happened, man? Please tell me what happened.
chest seal's on.
Where else are you hit, man?
Go ahead.
It's just the wife up there. Just the wife up
Stay
there.
with me, man. Mark.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go right. Hold right. Hold right.
What happened, man? Please tell me what happened.
Search. Good. Wait. All right, move up. Move. Go ahead. Please.
Anyone else in here?
Moving up. One down. We have one down in the bathroom. A lot of blood.
Police department! Let's go, please.
Looks like an 802.
Let's go, please.
Two.
No, I'll just shoot him and the guy outside.
George 11 Edward, no pulse.